Welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome to Batumi here in Georgia. As you can see, I'm currently on our balcony and the Black Sea is just over there. What a view. But in today's video, it is going to be a what we spent video. So I'm going to be telling you guys what we spent on food, accommodation, activities, drink, the whole shebang, just in case anyone is wondering how much they should budget for a day in Batumi, whether it's expensive, inexpensive, everything, we've got you guys covered. But first, we're going to show you guys the accommodation and give you a little room tour and tell you how much we spent. We're Connor and Livvy, a couple from England in our 20s who are on a mission to travel the world budget backpacking.
We started this new adventure on April the 26th, 2023 and plan to travel around the world for as long as possible. If you've been with us for a while, you would know that last year we backpacked Turkey, the Balkans, Eastern and Central Europe, and that was just the beginning.
We want to showcase the beautiful cultures that we encounter around the world and how at our core we are all the same. I think we should start with this lovely view. Check this out. We have our own private balcony and at night all of this is lit up. So it's absolutely amazing. And as I said, the Black Sea is just over there and that's where we're going to be heading in a minute, to the beach, obviously. Then, when you come inside, there's Olivia. Say hi, Livvy. Hello. We have our massive bed, which is so comfortable. Cannot complain about it. We have a little seating area over there with our bags and our socks on the desk, because that's just how we roll. We have a huge mirror here. Hello, everybody. A really cool mirror as well. Then, surprisingly, we have a kitchen, which is crazy. You don't really see that in like hotel accommodations.
Really good. And we were not expecting this at all. We booked it on Airbnb and we come in and it's a huge high-rise building. We're on the 11th floor and from like 1,163, I think.
Yeah, it's
so
crazy.
That goes to show how many rooms there are in this complex.
And there's 3 of these buildings, isn't there? There's like 3 of them. We're on building C, so the last one, but cannot complain. And for a night, Olivia, do you want to say how much it costs? £20. So that's going to be updated on our budget. £20 a night really isn't bad for a room like this.
And a smart TV.
And a smart TV, so we can watch our favourite YouTubers, Connor and Livvy. So yeah, anyway, we got the kitchen over here, isn't bad. We got a massive wardrobe space, there's the door, and then the bathroom, which again, cannot complain. Look at that. It is so good, it's so clean, and for the price, £21 a night. Oh, it's amazing. But like I told you guys, before we head to the beach actually, we're kind of hungry, so let's go grab some breakfast.
We went to a local hole-in-the-wall bakery because that's the thing to do here, because as we said the other day, there isn't a huge breakfast culture, but I've got a catch-curry.
It's huge.
Bigger than my head. It's absolutely huge. And then I got a donut as well because I didn't realise it was this big, so now I feel really...
Got a donut, a sweet donut, and a meat pie patty kind of thing, and a water.
It's ginormous, and that's going to like fill me up for quite a while. But all of this together, including the water, was only £8.50, which is £2.55.
£2.55.
So you can do things cheaply if you really wanted to.
And that is the place that we got it from. Amazing stuff, amazing stuff.
Eat my catch-curry.
How is it? Good?
It's not bad.
And the water's cold, which is great. Amazing. Donut, meat patty, cannot go wrong. You don't have to go into hole-in-the-wall kind of places or bakeries, but they are considerably cheaper. Like we said, all of that for like £2.55. We're full, that's our breakfast done. Whereas if we were to go to a restaurant, maybe it would cost us like double that, maybe even a bit more. So
it's all what you want.
Yeah. We're on a budget, that's why we're going to these types of places, and if you are too, those are the best types of places. But if you're not, and you've got some money to spend, obviously just go to a couple local restaurants, because they are dotted all around in the town. Stay hydrated, guys. Big bottle of water from the supermarket, 50p.
Now, you don't have to, but obviously because it's a pebble beach, it just makes everyone's experience much better. So we've actually bought 2 sunbeds, which were 5 lari each. And we've also bought some cherries from the vendor who comes around. There's lots of them, they're selling their little produce things. She wanted 15 lari for these, and Connor was like, absolutely not. Yesterday, she was only charging 5. So you can negotiate.
You can negotiate,
not
yeah.
A final price.
So 15 lari for everything, which isn't bad, which is £4.55 for a nice couple of hours at the beach. Can't go wrong. I rate it. And there is other people that come around with like a bunch of iced coffees, some mojitos, whatever. You can negotiate some corn as well, which we might get later. The corn looks really, really good. So it just means you don't have to keep getting up and then coming back, getting up and coming back. So it's quite convenient.
And they leave you alone as well. They don't hassle you. They
no.
You ask.
Yeah, we've never, ever been hassled. But I think it's time to enjoy the sea.
Beach.
The Black Sea.
We've been at the beach for the last 3 hours and it has been absolutely perfect. The sea is just warm enough, the weather is brilliant, and it's just everything you want from a little beach city. And it's really nice to have a respite from the rain because we have had nothing but rain since being here. It has rained and rained and rained the entire time.
The weather's been awful.
That entire time in Georgia, which really put a dampener on things, but this has really redeemed it. And I feel like this is definitely what we needed. When we're done at the beach, we're going to head to the old town so we can show you a little bit of that, but mainly show you the prices, and we're going to have dinner there. I think the intention is also to try and find a sky bar because that is like the done thing because of the viewpoints and how high some of the buildings are. So we're really excited for that, but so far a really, really nice day.
Olivia has made a new little ladybug friend.
No.
Check this little fella out. Ooh. Aww.
Laurie.
That's cute. How much did that cost, Olivia?
It was free.
It was free. Okay, we'll put that on the budget. We've literally just been, like Olivia said, we've just lying here. We're trying to go to the old town, but the sun is just enticing us to just stay here and relax. We've had such bad weather.
Move.
Hello, little fella.
And I think we have thunderstorms tomorrow as well.
Are we actually? Oh, so we might as well enjoy it whilst we're here. It's absolutely boiling. It's somewhat like 30 degrees out.
So Connor decides in 30-degree heat we have to stand in a blazing sun
and play some pool. Let's go. So the pool for 30 minutes costs us £3, which isn't too bad because it's outside. I think it's pretty cool. We can get a few games.
Laurie slushie, which
yeah.
is 80p.
80, 90p,
that was
not
my
bad.
Negotiation standing here in the heat.
So we're going to play a game of pool. Maybe put in the comment section down below who do you think is going to win.
I can't play.
Spoiler alert, it's going to be Connor. It's definitely not going to be Livvy, but let's give it a go. Let's give it a go.
Served him right.
Oh, so close.
You know you can't.
Oh! That taxi was only £1.49, absolute bargain, but it has led us to
Europe Square, located in the old town of Batumi. But oh my goodness, I am kind of shocked. It's one of the most unique places that I would say I've seen.
I'm in disbelief.
Like all of the buildings are very different to each other. Like the architecture style seems to be very different. There is a hotel up there with a Ferris wheel on it,
which we'll show you more of in a minute.
I'm
but
not
yeah,
sure if you can
crazy.
Go on that. I don't think it's currently operating, but it is awesome.
There's a McDonald's there, there's a KFC. Olivia's like, look at all this architecture, and I'm like, there's a McDonald's over there.
It's beautiful.
It feels like we're in another country.
It totally does. It's so different to like where we were in the new town, and I actually prefer this area of the city like so much more. But I promise you, we are not completely going over the history, but we're going to give you a proper city tour tomorrow because this video is just going to be about what we spent. But these are our genuine first impressions. We haven't really done too much research about this place, but it is absolutely stunning. And we're going to stroll around, see what we can find, see what we can spend our money on.
So make sure you subscribe, turn that bell on, because we will be releasing a city tour video very, very soon. But this is a what we spend video, so let's see what we can spend.
This is what we mean by a complete contrast in like different styles, the architecture styles, and just the general city. Behind me, you would expect this to be found in like Ukraine, Poland, that kind of thing. And then the other side, you've got a boulevard lined with palm trees that you'd expect to find in Miami. So there is no like sense to the city, but it makes it beautiful. I really enjoy like the just chaos of it.
Yeah, and there's a Radisson Blu right behind you, which I think might have a sky bar. We're not sure.
We're gonna try and find that because we know that they normally do have one.
Yeah, so maybe we'll try and find a sky bar. We're not sure.
shaded area because it's very hot outside, despite it being after 6 o'clock. But the entire boulevard is over 7 kilometers long. Now, if you wanted to walk there, good for you, but we're not going to do it. We might walk a good chunk of it tomorrow, but we're definitely not walking 7 kilometers. But it is absolutely beautiful here. Connor said it's becoming one of his top 10 contenders for top cities.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
It must be good.
Cafe Magnolia, and I've got a beer, local beer, for £1.50. Absolutely insane. Obviously we're waiting for our dinner now. I got some chicken skewers and chips, and Olivia got a cachapuri and a chicken soup. So we'll tell you what the final cost is when we know ourselves, when we get the bill. But I cannot wait for this food because I'm so hungry.
How do you rate the local beer?
Well, it's this. I'm not quite sure what it's called.
I think it's called Zed Azeni.
The Georgians know how to make some beer. That is nice.
As well as wine.
After 20 minutes, we have finally got our cachapuri.
We have got the ajari and the cachapuri. Now, I wouldn't normally tell you that, and I never normally inform you of that information, but I am telling you that because it originates from the region we're in, the Ajarian region in Batumi.
So this better be the best damn cachapuri we've ever had.
Because it originates from here.
Show them how to do it, Livvy.
They should know how to cook it from scratch. It does look very nice.
It does look really, really good. I cannot wait to dig into this. I think they forgot my fries, but that's okay. I'm actually kind of happy they did because I wouldn't have been able to eat it.
Oh, this looks really nice.
Check this out, guys.
You think you're sick of cachapuri and then you have it again.
And again, because hang on a minute, you had this for breakfast.
I had a different kind.
Yeah, 2 cachapuris in one day.
All right.
Ooh. Check that out, it is boiling hot. Cheers, guys.
We're finally eating it where it was born. Is that the good stuff?
So good, it made me do a little dance. All has come back. Drum roll, please. £13.84. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. £13.84 for a beer, a Coke, and our food. Can't complain, the food was good. But yeah, we do have one complaint though, not just of this place, but since being in Georgia, when we're eating food, the best way I can explain this is like a pizza, right? Let's say you got a plate of pizza and everyone takes a slice and there's no more slices left, but everyone's still got their slice in their hand, and then someone comes and takes the plate away and you're like, whoa, we haven't even finished eating our dinner. That, for some reason, that's normal here. Maybe it's just the culture here, I'm not sure, we're just not, and I don't think we ever will get used to it. It's just so weird because we're still eating and they're just like taking the plates away.
Cleaning the table.
Yeah, thank you so much. So that's something we can't get used to and we probably won't. Like, we're literally drinking, we'll put it down, they'll be like, are you finished with that? I'm like, whoa, there's still half left. So, yeah, a bit of a weird thing.
Customer service to the extreme.
Yeah, so I get that you want to be quick, but bro, I am eating my food. Connor and Livvy still hungry? Yes. Did we do something about it? Yes. We got a, what is this called? A chimney cake with ice cream. Now, on the thingy it said 7 lari, she said 9 lari. I couldn't be asked to argue, just gave her 9. But yeah, 9 lari for that, not bad.
With ice cream, yum yum yum.
We'll put obviously the English conversion there anyway, but how is it? Is it good? I've never had a chimney cake before, to be honest. Nah.
Oh my goodness, it's originally Czech, so we're not doing anything traditional here, but...
Nah. It looks good though. As promised, we've made it to a Sky Bar, and it is indeed the Sheraton.
We feel very naughty though, because we kind of sneaked into the lift of the Sheraton Hotel and made our way up.
We waited for someone to like get their card because you can't access it without it. Went to the 20th floor and now we're here.
He did tell us not to bomb the place though, which was not the best.
Because he was like, how did you get in it? It was like, we just followed you, mate. Yeah, we're trying to head to the Sky Bar.
That's kind of what we look like. We thought we'd fit in, but apparently not.
So just got a beer, and that was like £4.50, which isn't too bad.
It is expensive because it's a very renowned hotel, and obviously it's a 360-degree bar, but it's well worth it.
Definitely.
Like, you just want a little view of the city, and we're hoping to catch the sunset.
Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. So I got to really make this beer last. quite a while. But yeah, enjoy some of the views with us. So that is going to be the end of the video and the end of the day, leaving us with a total spend of £54.57p. That is incredible, and match that with the beauty of the city. Hopefully me and Livvy have convinced you guys to come visit here. If you want to support us, drop a like. It would mean the world if you hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be informed of future uploads, press the notification bell. But for now guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye!